how to get the best out of an A4 sheet. Can you guess how many squares you can get in this? You can exactly get around now I'm going to cut it out for you to not only make it easy for you when we cut squares, but also your work is much more easier. In half a sheet, if you can get 3 and another half 3, you have your 6 squares ready. Simple way to cut squares. And you can see here I've got 3 in this and another 3 here. The total 6 squares in one A4 sheet. And what you can do with this is you can fold it like this, fold it back, and fold, and you can even fold it like this, and then fold it, cut out the extra that is setting out, and cut out flowers like this. And here you have this. You pull the corner tight, fold it, and fold it like this. And like this, and fold back. And cut out again, and you get 4 petals now. You want a 5 petal flower, you fold it this way, fold it this way, and then you have to fold it and then bring it like this. You can see, bring it on this, bring this on my, let me do it again for you. Fold it like this first. Alright, and then you can divide it like this. Do the same on the other side, where you get like that, and then bring this over this over this, and turn the extra back. Turn the extra sheet behind. And then cut out like this. Yes. Yes, you have this 5 petal, 5 bonded side petal. Thank you.